you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. If you're a first timer, then welcome. I'm glad to have you guys here. This is our top 5 list for Monday, April 11th. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. That bell gives you notifications when I send out daily videos just like this one. Our weekly watch lists, our top 5 or our top 3 lists, learning tools, weekly swings, monthly swings, yada, yada, yada. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Let's get into it, okay? Number 1 on the list, S&P 500 SPY SPY. So SPY has time frame continuity to the downside. You're looking for that indicator, click on your indicator tab, type in time frame continuity. Author is Board Rider B. It'll give you the day, the week, the month, the quarterly, the yearly, the hourly, and what direction they are going. The yellow circles represent inside bars. If there's a square, it represents an outside bar. Okay, so we do have an inside bar on SPY. It means we're consolidating, we're spring loading, we're getting ready to explode to one direction or the other. I love inside bars. It's how I started trading options successfully, was just watching inside bars and playing the break of the higher the low. And that's exactly what our plays are today. SPY inside bar, we break to the high side. We're taking calls at 450.63. You can take a strike of 451, and I take the expiry date that's the closest. So for SPY, it'll be Monday. Okay, so first target is here, second target up here. If we trend downwards, well, we take puts at 445.97, and our first target is at 443.53. I will show you on the weekly time frame. With this broadening formation, we've hit the top, we've hit the bottom, we've hit the top. Let's see if this starts to trend back down to the bottom, okay? So that's number 1, that's SPY. Next up, NEO. And again, SPY and NEO are things that I watch daily just because I'm used to them. I like the way they move. The premiums are cheap. The bid-ask spread is close. Okay, so another inside bar on NEO. We can look for calls at $20.72, but we do have time frame continuity to the downside, so puts are more likely at 1982. And then we do have this pink line, which is our first target. It is also the trigger for our weekly swing, okay? And then this down here will be our second target on NEO. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with anything you need, okay? And if you like the video so far, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Okay, next up, Nike has a double inside bar. So we've shown consolidation within Nike for 2 straight days. I don't even know the last time Nike had a double inside bar day. We'd have to go back. I don't even see anything. So that's how rare of a pattern that double inside bar is. Looks like we might have something. I don't really see anything. So it's a super rare pattern, double inside bar on Nike. I don't really see I don't see a previous one, not to my eye without zooming in. So super rare pattern, double inside bar. We'd look for a really, really big explosion to the upside or the downside. We can take calls on this one at 129.97, this yellow line here. Or if we cross this line here, 127.86 for puts. And the green lines are obviously our targets. And if you want, guys, you can just right click this if you're watching a few of these and just add an alert. Okay? create that alert for when it crosses that line, and then you can say, oh, Nike is about to trigger. You can switch over to Nike and get into the play, okay? So that's number 3. Number 4 on the list, and these are in no particular order, guys. IBM is next. IBM has an inside bar, full time frame to the downside. So we can take calls at 128.80 or puts, which look more probable due to the time frame continuity. And I think if we look at the broadening formation on this one on the weekly as well, I think it shows similar. So again, top, bottom, top, and we've tagged top, and now we're looking to trend downwards. We can look for a continuation here based off of the weekly broadening formation, okay? So that's IBM, that's number 4. Number 5 on the list is Lucid, LCID, super liquid, cheap premiums, bid-ask. The spread between the bid and the ask is low. It's just pennies between them. That's another reason I like Lucid. Inside bar, time frame to the downside. We can take puts to go short on this one at 21.55. Calls at 22.34. I would caution here, this first target is tight, okay? That's the only thing I would mention for you guys if you're watching this. So if we hit that target and we start trending back the other way, make sure you've got your stop losses in place so you don't get burned. A lot of times it'll hit targets and it'll reverse straight back up. Okay, so the next target on this one isn't till way down here. Right there. Man, I can't even click on it. Man. Okay, well, we're not going to put that in. I can't get it. Again, targets to the upside are here and here. If we go look at that weekly broadening formation, again, top, we tagged the bottom, came up, and now we're coming back looking to tag the bottom of this broadening formation in around the $19 range. Okay, so let's look for Lucid to possibly trend down tomorrow. And then the final one I've got for you guys, and really the only one it's a bonus play. The only reason I put it on here is because it's Disney, and our family just loves Disneyland in general. So that's why it's up here for the most part, but it does have indicators for us to jump into this place. So it does have the time frame continuity to the downside. It does have an inside bar showing consolidation. Okay, we do have a tight target at the first target, and then we have a second one here. And if we're looking to the downside, which is more probable, we have a better target there, and then another one here. So again, just for these targets, guys, we're just taking the preceding wicks here, here. This would not be one. We would just go back further, okay? And I don't know how far back we're going to go. I don't see anything there, so that obviously there would be the next target there, okay? So there you have it, guys. That's the top 5 with the bonus on Disney. If we go check out the weekly on Disney in this broadening formation, again, we've tagged the top, we've tagged the bottom, we've tagged the bottom again, then we tag the top, and now we're trending back down, looking to tag that bottom somewhere in that, 124, 124.50 range, okay? So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the list. Good luck trading on Monday, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.